Hello viewers, welcome back to Gowri's kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Nariyal Dudh mutton gravy. Before going to the video, if you are new to this channel, please do like, share and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you. For making Nariyal Dudh mutton gravy, let's take 750 grams of mutton. I have washed it thoroughly. To this mutton, I have added 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, a half teaspoon turmeric powder and required amount of salt. I have kept for 10 minutes in medium flame and now it's ready to make the recipe. Take a pan or cooker, add gingerly oil to it. You can also add refined cooking oil. To this, let's add 1 big onion finely chopped. Fry it well. Meanwhile, let's make the masala paste. I have took 4 green chilies, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 3 cloves and 4 strands of cinnamon. Also take 2 cardamom. Let's grind this to a fine paste. To this onion, let's add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Fry it well. To this mixture, let's add 1 big onion made to fine paste. Now fry it thoroughly until the raw smell of onion goes. To this, let's add 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Fry it well. Next, we are going to add freshly ground masala paste. Next, we are going to add half teaspoon chili powder. Mix it and fry it well. Now let's add the mutton which we have cooked earlier. Let's blend the mutton nicely with the masala and wait till it is boiled. Blend the mutton nicely with the masala paste and let it boil for some time. Next, we shall add the coconut milk and fried onions. After 5 minutes of boiling, I am adding 3 cups of coconut milk taken from 1 coconut. Now let's mix it well. Check whether the salt and spice level is correct. Now the coconut milk has started to boil. At this stage, let's add the fried onions. I have fried 2 onions, 2 big onions. Let's add this now and mix it well with the curry. At last, let's garnish it with coriander leaves. If you want, you can turn off the stove now itself. Otherwise, you can reduce the coconut milk to some extent and have it as a little thick Nariyal Dudh mutton gravy. If you like this video, please do like, share and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.